it before that the glass is going to shatter?
It was a reveal moment. I have to break that.
Yeah, but
Came from electronic waste.
This year, in 2020 at World Championship, when my hand was raised, I was crying, and I was at the same time I was very happy.
Parents should support their kid, be it in any field, be it in boxing or be it in any sport. I think if the parent support is very important for their kids, and in my case, I'm very lucky to have such parents who have always been supportive. Many people used to tell me that boxing is a male dominating sport. There is no you can't make name in this sport, but I have proved everyone wrong.
And how do you look at the competition at the Commonwealth Games?
First week of July we are going to Ireland for the preparation of Commonwealth Games. So definitely my aim will be to win gold medal for my country at Commonwealth also.